Hey guys, Brandon here, and for today's video I'm going to be taking a look at some of my favorite Google Chrome web apps. So as you can see, I'm in the tab page where you can see all of your applications that you currently have installed. So let's just get right to it. So my first one, and probably my favorite out of all the ones I currently have installed, as you can see I do have quite a few, is Feedly. Now this is kind of a giant, I think of it as a magazine. It's because you can look at a bunch of different articles from all the different sites that you like, all in one nice, clean place. So this is where you first open up. This is where you see. So you see the featured from the different websites that you are currently subscribed to. If you have any kind of like filters, like I do, which is technology, then you'll see that. I currently only have one, which is just technology for now. You can see right now it shows the Wired top stories, Mashable, and I also have CNET also on here somewhere. Yeah, right here. As you can see, it's in the featured. So or you could just look straight at the filtered ones. So right now I have CNET, Mashable, and again Wired in my technology section. So I can scroll through here, see the latest stuff that just came out from each of these sites. And if I want to read a story like Yahoo's stakeholder calls on Yang to leave board, interesting, I just click that. It'll give me a little bit of a preview, and then I can click this, and it will bring me right to the website where the story is located, which is pretty cool. So close out of that. So that is Feedly. You can check out my Feedly, which is again just like the homepage of the whole thing. You can go by just the latest. You can also save stories if you want to read them later. You can explore different sites, or you could add a site on your own, which is pretty cool. So that is Feedly, and I'll leave a link in the description for all of these, so you can go download them if you like them. So my next one is Concept Board. Now this is kind of not really a web app. This is more along the line, just brings you straight to, sorry about that, straight to the set, or sorry, not the set, but the website. So for whatever reason, it's prompting me, probably because I am not currently using my correct, not correct, but current email. I have a different account with this. So go through that. Okay, you saw my email. So yeah, that's like the one I use for my YouTube account, so not that big of a deal. So I wanted to make a new board. So basically what this does is it allows you to collaborate with multiple people at one time. So as you can see, I can add another person's email address, which will bring them straight into the conversation. So let me give you a showing of this. I'll type in macros tech, create the board, give it a second to load up. And then here you go. So from this, what you can do is if you have multiple people, which I currently do not, you can go through and just kind of talk together. Or if like you have a project to do and you have multiple people working on it, but you all can't be in the same place at one time, you can go through this. So basically what this does is allows me to scribble, which is basically just a drawing tool. You also got a highlighter, rectangle, circle tool, arrow, line, a text box, and a headline. So we'll just draw a circle right here. And then someone else can add a comment, and by doing that, all they have to do is drag, point to the thing that they are wanting to talk about, and I'll just say cool circle. Click save, and now that is moved right onto there. So now if I want to talk on that subject that is just someone who just put up there, I can and say I agree, save, and there you go. So then you just get a conversation going right there. You can also upload pictures, or I believe video as well, which is pretty cool. You can take a screenshot. So this allows you to do is just take a screenshot straight from the browser, or you can install a browser extension, which is not yet released though. So basic features like that. There is a pro version that you can upgrade to, but I don't think it's really worth it personally. It's just kind of a nice thing to have, again, if you just can't talk to everybody at one time. Here you can see the colors. You can just change the color of the circle or the tools. Not that big of a deal. You can go to the edit menu and just normal things, undo, copy, delete, stuff like that. Not really important. You can go into full screen also, I believe. Or sorry, no, change the header size. Toggle the sidebar if you wanted a sidebar to appear, you could do that. Which is basically just another way to talk to the people that are in the current, I guess, concept board. So that is Concept Board. Again, this will be left in the description if you want to go check it out. Close out of that window. My next one is NPR for Chrome. Now, if you're a NPR fan, which is basically, if you don't know, it's National Public Radio, as you can see right there. and it's just a bunch of different radio kind of talk show kind of like things. You got technology. I think there might be religion. Again, arts, music, and then just basic news. So you can scroll through, and at any time, if you wanted to, you could listen in to one of these current radio shows, I suppose you could say. You can also add them to a playlist if you wish to. You can check out the sorry, scrambled up my words there for a second. The hourly news. You can go through and look through the different programs. You got the Weekend Edition, World Cafe, Snap Judgment. A lot of different things. You can search it by topic. So again, you got the world, business, science, technology, arts, pop culture. So we'll just go to technology. Let it load up a little bit. Then you can scroll through here and you can check out some of these. So we'll just click on this one. And then you can see that. But I'm not going to go into it because I don't want anything playing right now. So yeah, that would be NPR for Chrome. A great little web app. I would definitely recommend it if you're a fan of NPR, or if you just want a clean way to kind of look at some news. Because again, it is, when it comes down to it, it is just a news site like most, but it also has got cool features like the radio built in, so you can actually listen to like people talk about the news online on your Chrome browser, which is really cool. So that is NPR for Chrome. Go back into this. Sorry about that. Look through this. I believe, oh yeah, right, Flixster. So Flixster, yeah, I'm sure almost everybody has heard of it. If you don't know what it is, it's basically a movie kind of review site. Also shows you like show times of local theaters that are nearby you. You can also check out some of the upcoming. You can read. You can watch trailers about the movies. So I'll just go through some of these. So on the left side right here, this is a custom web app built straight for Chrome. It's not just like a thing that just like it's not just an application that just brings you to a website. It is a dedicated application. So over here you can see movies that have just opened this week. The top in box office right now. Scroll through those. You can see also they're also in theaters. Scroll through those. See all that. So as you can see right here, you got Very Harold and Kumar Christmas. You can see the critics. Sorry, yeah, my words are all getting messed up right now. You can see what the critics are talking about. As you can see, it got a 72% on the Rotten Tomato score. If you wanted to, you could play the trailer. If you wanted to see, sorry, I can't talk. If you wanted to see show times, you can click that. If you want to see more about like the plot line of it, click more. You can see more of that. You can see some the photos from that, the director, the cast, the crew, critic reviews. You can also see you can also rate it yourself, and you can read other people's reviews of it. And then up here you can go, this is the one that you automatically start off with. You can also search for movies, show times, so you can see the local times of movies at your local theaters. Upcoming, which will show you some of the upcoming movies. You got Happy Feet. These are the ones that will give you a date of when they are coming out, which is pretty cool. As you scroll down, then you'll see the ones getting closer and closer to that are sooner. Scroll back up. DVD. Let that load up right here. You can see some of the top DVDs right now that are out. Ones that are recently released. Kind of cool looking. Again, it's just it's a clean design, which I really like. So yeah, that is Flixster for Chrome. Open up that up. So yeah, that would be currently my favorite applications that I do use on a fairly regular basis. I hope you enjoyed. I'll leave a link in the description again for all of these. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some other videos.